Welcome back to Asia Tonight. Business news continues now, and OPEC is close to agreeing to extend an oil supply cutting pact beyond June. That's according to Saudi Arabia's energy minister, Khalid al-Falih. Crude futures were up 1.25% on signs of the agreement's extension. Mr. Falih, however, says that more talks were still needed with participating non-OPEC countries. The Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, along with Russia and other non-members, agreed last year to reduce supply by 1.2 million barrels per day from the 1st of January. That agreement ends this month, and the group meets in the coming weeks to decide their next move. Saudi Arabia has slashed supply by more than required by the OPEC Plus deal in a bid to stop inventories building up.